It's a battle royale. I'm staying 10 steps ahead of ya. Playing Apex Legends, you ain't know that I'm an Apex Predator. Killing and sniping the competition. You are not anywhere near my level.
What's up, guys? It's Sobi TV here. Just got my new Apple Watch in. It's the Series 3. It is I believe it's the 42. It has the bigger screen. I believe they come in the 38 and the 42. Just wanted to do a little unboxing, do a little review of what I've seen so far, what I like about it, and some things I thought were pretty neat about it. So I'm going to go ahead and open it up. I do already have it on. I'm just going to open it up and show you what comes in the box so you guys know if you order one yourself. As I said, this is the Series 3. They do have, I believe, the Series 4 out. I didn't opt for it. Didn't really think it was worth the extra money. So when you open up the box, first thing is you have your watch right here. And it has a little protective cover on it. I opened it up earlier to make it a little easier and a little less time consuming when I did the video. So when you open up, you have this nice little slide case here. You pull apart. Ooh. Sorry about that. My camera, my camera went out of focus for a second. After you open it up, you got a little extra little sleeve here. This is another extra band, and then you have your charging port right here. This is for your charging port right there. I haven't opened that up. It doesn't look like you can just, the thing reason I didn't take that out yet is because I like to keep my boxes intact, and I don't like to tear stuff. And it looks like you actually have to, break it apart to get it out. Oh wait, maybe I can get it out. Ooh, okay. You are actually, you pop it out from the back side, and the little charger will slide out. So that's the charger. Kind of cool. You get an extra little band. I think that one's a little smaller. Yeah, it's not as wide. But it might be a little wider inside the thing. I didn't take it out. But other than that, it's pretty much it. You just get your charger. You get a little instruction thing that's a little, one pager. And that's pretty much it. But so far, what I like about the watch is I can receive my calls on it. I didn't opt for the cell one. I just have the GPS one, which I thought was fine. I didn't need the cell. I figured wherever I'm going to go, I'm going to have my phone on me anyway, unless I lose it or something. But what I can do is I can track all my, my heartbeats. I can track if I run, my calories, and all stuff like that. And also, the neat thing is it can transfer over a lot of my apps. So if I'm using, Facebook or Instagram or Twitter, it'll do the push notifications right over to my watch, which is pretty cool. I don't know if you can see this. Let me see. You can kind of see the interface, maybe a little bit. You can kind of see it. But the interface is kind of neat. You can see it. It's a little bigger. You can kind of see it a little better there. I like it. You can use it has a little gear icon on the side. Then you can put your passcode and stuff like that. It's really easy to link up with your phone. I have the Apple phone. It was very simple to do. Pretty much it paired up in a few seconds, and I really like it. I think I bought it for $279, and I was actually looking today, and it was on sale for $229 on Amazon. So I might leave the link in the description if you guys want to check it out. It's on sale as of when I did this video. I haven't really figured out everything on this. You can do some skins and stuff with it too, and do all sorts of cool things. Some other stuff that I like, it tells you your weather. You can ask it to do Siri stuff. What's the weather? Of course, it's not going to work right now. But you can hold it in your hand by your mouth and ask it a question, and it will answer the question. Tell me a joke. Maybe it'll work. Nah, it's not going to work. But you're supposed to not have to say, hey Siri, and it will do whatever. But it does weather. Now it is. Now it's doing it. I can see it right on there. It's recording everything I'm saying right now. And my cats are going apeshit right now. They are playing or something. Holy cow, they're going nuts. But overall, it's a really good watch. I like it. It's a little bit better than the older models. That's why I was kind of waiting till the new model came out, because you can do your Apple Pay with it. You can set up your credit cards and all types of stuff like that. It's fairly good. And the other thing I think, let me see if I can get to it quick because it's a pain. I always forget how to do it because I just got this. You can do your music, so if you run and stuff like that. And then I also see I have my Starbucks apps and my maps, and you can get your news and all sorts of stuff like that on. So it's really kind of cool. Now I believe with the newer one, the 4, the screen's like a little bit bigger. And the only thing I was kind of worried about was it getting scratched, and I was actually kind of impressed because it hasn't. I've kind of bumped it a few times already, and I was like, "Oh man, I scratched it." Nope, it was perfectly fine. So if you're in the area to get a watch, a smartwatch, I would definitely get the Apple Watch. I like it. It's a little more expensive. I wanted something to link right up with my phone. I was thinking about maybe getting the Fitbit Versa or one of the other ones, and then I just got the Apple Watch. I really liked it. So if you guys have any questions or anything else that you want me to do, any reviews on anything I have, feel free to leave a comment below. I appreciate it. You guys have a good night, weekend, whatever. You could be watching this at any time. I appreciate it. Make sure you hit that like button right below. That'll help me out a lot. And also, sub. That'd be great. You can follow me on Twitch. I'm on Twitch all the time. Every day, 9 p.m. Eastern. Link should be in the description or on my main profile page. Thank you guys. Appreciate it.